Congratulations to you. You are able to see this course today. This is CPA marketing course. In this course, I will be showing you everything step by step how to make money on CPA marketing. You can see this is CPA marketing. So what is CPA marketing? CPA marketing means cost by action. This means when someone take action on a particular offer that you are promoting, you are going to get paid. Such person, they don't need to buy anything. This is not affiliate marketing that you will be worrying on how your customer will buy product on the site that you are promoting. No, this is just cost by action. This can be when someone complete the email, when someone put their email on the site that you are promoting, you are going to get paid. You can see these are a lot of offer. This is one of the best CPA network. You can see CPA Grip is one of the best CPA network. So these are top performing offer on CPA network today. You can see when someone from this country, from Antonia, complete this offer, you are going to get $1, $2, $4, $3, and all this person did not need to buy anything. When they submit their email or they download game or they open an account, you are going to get paid, and you can get as much as lead every single day. You can get over 1,000 lead. When so far that all those persons, they don't need to buy anything, you can get a lot of lead every single day. You can see some days I'm making over $1,000. So we are like 2 o'clock p.m. now. So before the end of the day, I must have made over $900. So because it is very, very simple, this is how you will be getting paid every single day. You can see these are top performing offer. So let me just walking you through all this offer. So this offer means when someone from that particular, you can also come to offer tools and click on my offer. You can promote any offer that you want, any country offer that you want, but all those offer you must post it, you must promote it to the targeting country, because you can see, for example, this offer from the person must be from Sweden. You can see Sweden. So when someone from Sweden put his or her email to this website only, you are going to get $9 instantly. Amazing. And you can get over 1,000 people from Sweden every single day to complete this offer for you. It is very, very simple. CPA marketing, it is very, very simple. And so on and so forth. You can see, you can see this offer also. It will pay you $4 when someone from this country, what is the name of United Arab Emirates, when they submit their email, you are going to get $4 instantly. This is very, very amazing. So let's click on one offer here. You can see like this offer. Let's say we want to promote this offer right now. So this offer is from United. You can see this offer, the person must be United, must come from United Arab Emirates. So, and the person must be use mobile iOS, and the person needs to submit his or her PIN only, and you get $4 instantly. So if you want to promote this offer, you just copy this link here and you will post it to United Arab country site, and when someone from United Arab country put his PIN, you are going to get paid. So now let's look one or two offer again. So this offer from United Kingdom here, this will pay you $1.83, and the person must come from United Kingdom. If you want to promote this offer and the person need to submit his email only, you can see the image here. The person needs to submit his email only. You can see. So when someone put his email in this area, and the source person click on continue, you that promote the offer, you are going to get paid instantly. It is very, very simple. CPA marketing is very, very easy. You can see when someone from United Kingdom put his or her email in this box and click on continue, you are going to get $4, $1.8 instantly, and you can get over thousands of people every single day to complete this offer every single day. CPA marketing is very, very sweet. It is very, very easy. This is not like affiliate marketing that you will be looking for people to buy your product, you'll be looking for people to know. It is very, very simple. So just make sure you click if you want to know how this works, how you can create account on CPA network. You can say we have a lot of CPA marketing that you can work with, like CPA lead, CPA. I listed them here. You can see over a lot of affiliate marketing that you can work with. So if you want to know how it works, how to promote offer, and how to get minimum as a newbie of $500 every single day, make sure you click on the link below and purchase this course for little money before it increases. Thank you for watching.